Alright guys, so I'm in my bathroom. What you're gonna need is some scrunchies. You're going to need a Denman brush, a hard brush. You're going to need some gel, period. You're going to need a comb. And you're going to need a spray bottle full of water. And that's it. Alright, so checking out my hair because it looks disturbing. So I'm gonna start spraying my hair, like, you know, all around. Because my hair is dry and it's really crusty, so I need to like make it softer so I can work with it. Cause girl, we don't do that here. I sprayed for a long time. That's a lot. Alright, so I got water in my face. Okay, so I'm using the comb and I'm doing a side part because my forehead is big and I need to cover it. So I already had a side part from before, so I'm just like, you know, making the side part deeper. I'm gonna split in my hair more when I get there. More water, more water. And then calm down the back, the part. Honestly, the part really doesn't have to be perfect for me because I really don't care. Plus I wasn't going out anyway, so it didn't matter. But, ooh, I look so mean all the time, like, oh my god. Alright. So my hair split in two, so I'm gonna put the side that has the least hair up and then work with that side because that side is thicker and has more hair on it. Ooh, another thing, I had just like, I kind of gave myself a little haircut because I just felt like it. So yeah, my hair look nice. My hair look nice now. But spraying the back of my hair with water because that's what you need to do. I'm not spraying the whole thing, mostly just like my roots because duh. And I'm taking the Denman brush and I'm only brushing my roots. I'm leaving my ends out because I want my ends to be curly, just to have the definition, right? So here's that. My water, Denman brush, Denman brush. Really, the key to this is just water, brush, and then gel. Like, I'm so serious. That's all it is. That's all it is. Water brush, water brush. Now it's time for the gel. Changing my music. Get my gel. Okay. Yo, I look like so. Oh my god. Okay. Now hard brush again. Really simple too. It's really simple. It's all it really takes, honestly. Yeah. By the way, if you didn't tell, if you couldn't tell already, I do my hair in sections. When I do this hairstyle on the side that I'm working with right now, I usually put that in about 3 or 4 sections, depending on how I'm feeling. You know, but I usually do 4 because I have to do a swoop. But I section that out. So more water again. Spritz, 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 spritz. Alright, spritz, spritz, spritz. More water again. Some more water. Now Denman brush, because you know you gotta get it slicked down. More water. Oh my god, okay. Still brushing. Alright, now gel. More gel. Oh, that's hard brush too, girl. My bad. So hard brush, because I get it sleep. If you see me looking up, I'm clearly looking at my mirror, because yes, I'm looking at my mirror in the bathroom. More brush, because my edges don't listen. Yep, slick period. Okay, now this is the second to last section, because I had to section out that front piece, which is where the swoop is going to be, but I had to slick down the part before it, so you see that? Okay, so Denman brush, because I had to get, like, that part of my hair is really thick. It's just really, really thick. So I have to, like, do multiple sections just to get it to, like, stay down. So, yep, that's cool. And then gel. And then I move my hair to the side, section out that front part, is what my swoop is going to be. And then more water at that part, Denman brush. And then midway through I realize I need to brush all the way down because my hair is not going to, yeah, see? Yeah. So, section out that front part, gel. I took a lot, didn't I? Yeah, And then that's where the swoop is gonna be. So I'm spraying that part of my hair. Don't ask why my face looks like that, it just does. Yo, my curls be bugging in the front because like I don't have heat. I swear to God, I don't have heat damage or anything. I promise I don't. My hair is loose in the front, but like it just does that. Like, are you serious? It does curl though, I promise. So put mad gel just for it to slick down, and then I have to put gel everywhere and define the part so that it doesn't look so stupid. Now I'm doing the swoop. Every time I do my swoop, I brush it on my forehead because my forehead is big. I'm telling y'all. Yes, okay. Diamond brush to make it smooth because it's to detangle it. And then you need the hard brush to slick it down. So smooth part 2. Yo, my face really looks so disturbing. Like I'm not even realizing this. Okay, so brushing it down some more. That's what you do. And then when I brush it and then move it to the side. Like you see what I'm doing? I do it like that. So brush it to the side like that, like if you're doing a low bun, but it's just on one side. So yeah. Then I'm gonna get, just put all my hair together. And for that side only, I use 2 scrunchies. Number 2, see, 2. There's more hair on that side. And then, boom. That's that. Period. That's that. And you see, I was like, I did a pretty good job, even though I messed up later and I had to fix it. But there, it looked really nice. I was like, oh, okay, nothing very wrong. So that side's really easy for me to do. All I do is just spray that one, part right there. Yeah, I just spray that part because that's the only part I have to slick. And the back, of course. And then that is just really, really easy. That's really easy to do for me. If you want to section it to get it, really, really, really slick, then I suggest you do so. But I have my Denman brush. I'm only brushing on my roots again. And then getting my gel. Oh, no, more water. Alright. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, more Denman brush. Okay, there we go. Now we're about to put the gel on, I promise. Oh, never mind. I'm brushing my edges out. Okay, never mind. Now the gel. Okay, there we go. Gel. Gel time. So, I'm gelling that part. I gel the back too so I can define the part. So my hair doesn't look all put together in one, because it's 2 ponytails. So, I'm putting the gel on, gelling, and then I'm brushing it with the hard brush. I see, yeah, it looked nice. I'm like, ooh, girl. So, brushing, and it looks really nice. Hold on, y'all gonna see when I get this scrunchie and put it in the ponytail. So, here we go. And then put that part in the ponytail. Make sure they're even, because I have a bad habit of making sure they're not on, the same level, and make, one is higher than the other. It looks so bad. But, yes, and then we're done. And look at that. Look at that, girl. Okay, so now I gotta do my edges. So stay tuned for my edges. So I'm just fixing my swoop, because you do that and making sure it's nice and slick, because that's how I like it. You see my forehead doesn't look as big now. So that's just that. Hold on. Alright, edges time. I have my edge brush that's really dirty with the comb because I use too much edge control sometimes. Ooh, okay. So I'm using the small edge booster that Chastity got us for our locker, but we're not in school. So I put that on my edges. It was kind of slippery at first, so my face kind of looks like a little confusion, but whatever. So I put a little bit on there, like that. I don't use a lot because, I need some, so I don't put too much on there. I was trying to figure out how I want my edges in the middle of me doing it. I was like, do I want to go extra today or just keep it simple? So I did simple extra. So I was trying to swoop it, but then I was like, what do you really want in life? So I swooped it, but I had a little I had a little swirl right next to one of my swoops because I'm annoying. You can't see it there because I'm stupid and I forgot to move my head down and move back, but that's okay. Oh man, I look really weird watching this. This looks so weird to me. I do not look like this. Alright, yes. Okay, you see? I'm about to swoop it. Little swirl. You swoop? It's swoop like that. So, why do you keep moving in front of, no one can see you, bro? Wow, I'm getting mad at myself. Okay, anyways. Okay, yes. Okay, there we go. Alright, so, yeah. You're doing kind of bad, sweetie. You don't do this usually. Okay. Okay, so doing my edges. Oh yeah, because I messed up that part right there, so I have to fix it again. That's when I just do 2 swoops and a little swirl next to it. I look so like... I look like my dad. Oh my god. Okay, so swoop. Swoop. Okay. Then, I think that's when I finish my hair. I'm just like fluffing out my little puffs.
Alright, so I finished. Okay, yeah, I look nice. And then done. Alright guys, so that's how I get 2 low buns with a swoop. Hope you enjoyed.
So, once again, the day is saved thanks to the Powerpuff Girls. Oh, I'm good.